Today we are going to learn 是. 是 basically has three functions. First one indicates where somebody or something equals or belongs to. 他是小明，他的生日是1月1日。A equals to B. 小明是医生 He's one of the doctors in the world. 他是中国人 He's one of the Chinese people. A belongs to B. Second one, 是 also can show the location and existence. 哪个包是你的？桌子的下面是我的包。下 is a noun of locality. We've talked about it before. If you want to learn more about it, click this bar please. In this video, you can learn more about how to describe locations in 是 sentence. And we also have 是 plus the phrase. This structure helps us explain characteristics like how the subject is. 衣服是新的。What color is it? 衣服是白的。Whose belongs to? 衣服是他的。What material is it made of? 衣服是棉的。And so on. Before we move to the next part, I would like to show two common mistakes. 10年前，他是了医生。No. 10 years ago, it was in the past. Many students might be confused about whether the one should be used in this sentence to show the completion. Not really. 是 cannot be used with the one even if the action happened in the past. 10年前，他是医生。However, 是 can be used with the to show the situation changed. 现在他是老师了。He was a doctor before, but now things have changed. He is a teacher now. Another common mistake is 他是很高。In Chinese, an adjective by itself can function as a predicate, so we should delete 是 here. 他很高。There's one exception. 听说你姐姐很高。是的，她是很高。We put 是 here because we want to confirm and emphasize what others mentioned before. 是 is for emphasis here. Therefore, when we read it, we prefer to stress our tone on 是。是的，她是很高。Okay, we finished the positive sentence. How about the negative format? We use 不 to negate 是。小明不是医生。衣服不是新的。For questions, it's a bit complicated. Basically, we use 吗 to make a question. 他是小明吗？衣服是棉的吗？In this case, we are totally not sure of the answer, but we want to know it. Sometimes, 是 question can help us to raise an assumption. 他上个星期没来上课。他病了，是吗？ We can also say 他病了，是不是？是不是 and 是吗 express an assumption. Based on some facts, we guess something. We are 50% sure of our guess and we want to confirm it. 是吗 is always at the end of a sentence, but the location of 是不是 is super flexible. We can also put it in the middle of a sentence. 他是不是病了 or at the beginning of a sentence. 是不是他病了 Last one, 不是吗 also named rhetorical question. We were pretty sure of one thing. However, the actual situation didn't happen as our expectation. So we use 不是吗 to show our confusion. 9点了，你不去上课吗？今天不是星期天吗？ Surprise! 你怎么在这儿？你不是去北京了吗？ Reminding. 你不睡觉吗？你不是明天有考试吗？ Dissatisfaction. 下雨了。今天不是不下雨吗？